Good morning. New job. Lost about 10 stone off my shoulders after finish that last project. Brilliant. Took ages, but it were extras. The main garden was done. Then it were halfway through that, it was like, right, I want a fence. And then we said, well, we'll finish garden, go off, do his thing, come back, did the bottom two, and he goes, while you're there, how much for the side? So I did a deal with him, because we were already going to be there. Went away for a few days, come back, did that side, and then while we were there again, I want a gate there, at the side of the house, I want a gate. So, yeah, it's done, finally done. So this project is Indian stone, sleeper, 2 sleepers high, possibly 3. We don't know yet. It might be 3. But it's through the house, through the front door, down the hallway, through the kitchen, down 2 steps into the garden. So we've got smaller barriers. We've got the narrow ones. Should go through the doors. I'm going to measure up today. But today the weather's a bit crappy, so I don't really want to be walking in and out of the house. So I've got protective flooring down, but I'm just going to be ripping the decking up, piling it up. It's going to dry tomorrow, get everything out tomorrow. Do it that way, and just less mess in it, you know what I mean? Tom's not here today. He is getting a tattoo, 8-hour tattoo on his knee. Brilliant. He's got tattoos all over his legs, just missing his knee. But because he's doing marathons and ultra marathons this year, he wants, from the front, he wants that bit to be complete. But yeah, 8 hours on his knee. It's a long time, that, innit? I just want to write a little tattoo like this on the back of my leg. It's going to take about 40 minutes. I couldn't do 8 hours. Couldn't do 8 hours at all. But yeah, should be exciting. This guy makes cups of tea as well. It's good. Loads of them. Works from home, so they're constantly out coming to see you. So yeah, it's nice. But no cameras through the house. Privacy. Cameras will be in the back and odd camera up front. Whatever. That's this project. But we've got 10 working days, I think, on this. And then I think the next one is up steps to get to the garden. Might rebrand and call myself Bad Access Landscapes. See what people say. Because we just seem to get them all the time. Or they all come together, and then we'll get a right nice one, you know. But yeah, lovely. See you back garden. So this is the area. 2 sleepers along the front. Random drain there. It's going from there across, like on a 50p shape. And then across here. 2 sleepers on front. Steps in middle. Indian stone either side, as it is. We're hoping to have 2 sleepers, I say 2 sleepers. We're hoping to be 400 mil. And we're just taking this up. And it is quite high. I'm happy to dig it out, whatever. But yeah, pergola's staying in. So if I get that far today, taking this out, I'm going to keep this corner in to support it. But that's tied on wall. So just keep this corner in, keep it stable. But yeah, it's gonna freshen the garden up. So the story with this house is this side is the dining room, and they got it plastered. They moved in a few years ago, whatever. Got it plastered, and plasterer were like, ceiling's not right, it's moving. I went, I'm going to advise you to stick a hole in it, in the ceiling, see what it might be, water, whatever. Turned out to be rubble. The guy knocked a wall down at this side of the house. This is an extension, at this side of the house, put it underneath the floorboards. So the kids, one day, could have been eating the tea. Rubble fell through. Could have fallen through, didn't fall through. Could have fallen through. So it's just an house that Jack built. So we don't know what we're going to find under here, because this guy's done it, whoever. Not this guy, the guy before's done it, whoever. So it's all up in the air what we're going to find. So yeah. So it's just a mystery. It's just an adventure, innit? It's just another day another day. Just got to get on with it. But yeah, see you soon. Just going to cut you off from this time lapse. Yeah, like I said, house that Jack built. 3x2 timber, untreated, as you can tell, just like mush. Scaffolding board or a floorboard, that'll be untreated. It's all screwed into that, and then the back half of it. There was a timber there. There's no timber left at the back. Look at that. And I haven't even ripped it out. I've just lifted them ones off. There's no post. Laid on a pile of blocks that aren't touching the floor. There's a gap in there. It's not touching the floor there. So, yeah. What a find. Get out best ones, don't we? But yeah, it's mad, innit? So these will be all the timbers from the inside, I imagine. This is a bit of rubble. These are rubbles from a wall out there, but I bet some rubbles from inside, and it's just trying to hide it, but using the timbers that aren't treated. Mint. Absolutely mint. And you're letting your kids play on it, you know what I mean? It's not fair. It's not fair on them, on the guys that buy it. Yeah. See what else we can uncover. So that's a wrap from me today. There's no way. When it's like this, you can't walk through houses. We've got protective flooring down, like, but you're walking off the drive, wetting all the floor, aren't you? And they've got, what's that flooring called? Laminate flooring. They've got laminate flooring down, so once that gets wet, no chance. So, I mean, it's only 2 o'clock anyway, so I need to unload this. There's a van pulling around really close to me. I need to unload this timber on here, as you've seen, and then I'm home anyway. Nice early finish. Be about 3 anyway, so it wouldn't even be bad. But yeah, I'll see you all in the morning. Hopefully the weather will be better. Take care.